In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Google Drive to Claude AI. So this is useful because Claude can read your Google Docs, Sheets, and PDFs directly, so you don't have to download and upload files all the time. So it makes your work faster and easier. And I'm going to show you now how you can connect it. So you want to click on your profile in bottom left corner, and you want to go to Settings. Now from the settings, you want to click on Connectors. And here you should see Google Drive over here. If you don't see it right away, you can click on Browse Connectors and you can find it here as well. And then you just want to click on Connect next to Google Drive. Then you want to choose your Google Drive account which you want to use. Click Continue. And after that, you want to allow access to Claude. So you want to check all of those things. Then click on Continue again. And now our Google Drive should be connected if you see connected next to it. And we can test it. If I click on New Chat, and from here you should see this From Drive icon. And if you click on it, it's going to show you some example prompts which you can try or test. So we have, let's say, identify and visualize my most brilliant moments from my documents. Look at my docs and tell me what kind of genre writer I could be. Reveal blind spot in my knowledge base, and you can try something from here, or you can write your own prompt which you want to use, and that's basically it. This is how you can connect your Google Drive to Claude AI. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.